Riboti cia ati arigitani atatu thibitari-ini cia kaunti ya Nyeri ni marwarite homa ya COVID-19 nicio citumite ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gwika mituki kugura nguo cia kumagitira niguo matikagwatanie ona kana kugwatia andu aria angi maretha motungata ma urigitani.
And I would like to appeal to the governor that we also want to share what we have here with Laikipia and possibly also Nyahururu, Nyandarua counties.
We have set aside Mount Kenya, which is now running at 30 beds, and we are intending to run it to 50. But after our discussion with the President and yourselves, we are working towards creating 300 beds, where we think level 6 will also be part of ourselves and of that journey.
Kagwe oho ni agathiririe thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyeri ni undu wa itemi rĩayo ria kuhurana na ugwati wa COVID-19 na unyitanĩri na thirikari nene.
The collaboration is responsible for the very low number of COVID-19 cases at only 9 from a pool of 459 samples so far tested here in Nyeri. 3 of the positive cases are healthcare workers who contracted the virus during the normal course of duty. This is a great sacrifice to our people, and I want to recognize them for their devotion and commitment to duty and wish them well and quick recovery.
Unyitanĩri uria utumite thibitari nene ya Othaya kuoywo ni thibitari nene wa Kenyatta. Na oho kuongererwo kigina niguo kumihotithia kuheana motungata makinyaniru.
CS, as we support this facility, and it's one of the facilities that is earmarked as a COVID center for this region. My committee recently, when we were doing the supplementary budget, we have already allocated 150 million in support of the facilities that are missing here.
Ori ha thoko-ini akorwo we ni wendagiria andu mboga ha thoko-ini. We ugakoragwo na sanitizer na andu makiingira thoko magethamba moko. Nigetha wanyita mboga iyo kana wanyita karati iyo kana itunda kana maembe wanyita ti uhoro wa kunyita wina murimu ugachoka kaigirira hau na nie ngoka ngoya iembe riria ngambiriria kuria alafu sisi zote tunaumbukizwa.
Kagwe ni uritie muingi gukorwo maitho niguo gwithema kumana na murimu wa COVID-19. Already thirikari ya county itanyite gukorwo na itanda ingihuthika gukomwo ni arwaru a COVID-19. Ndumiriri kuma ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri ni ati aikari a Nyeri na gitaro giki gia gatagati mathie na mbere kwigitira kuona gitaro giki ni kiri na andu aingi mena mirimu iria tagwatanagio ta murimu wa cukari. Handu-ini Hainoro TV de county ya Nyeri, njitagwo Martin Munene.